Hello. A lot of people say lower your car. I say opposite. You need to raise it.
Whoa. Is that one of them 335 eyes? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of FabTown. Today we're going to be doing some work on the S14. I'm going to putz around on this occasionally when I have a little bit of downtime, so I'm not always working on everybody else's stuff. Got the wheels off. That was a nightmare because somebody made some crazy studs that don't have enough room for the socket. I don't even know how they did it. I'm not even going to explain it. We ended up power washing the bay though, and started cleaning up all the burnt spots. This one is not as bad as this one was, so this looks pretty good. Brandon went ahead and shot some primer on that once I scrubbed it all down and wire wheeled it, got all the melted plastic off, coilover off, and we're gonna start fitting up my Uniphi R and D kit probably here soon. I'm also going to be working on getting a hard methanol delivery line set up on the BMW because the Snow Performance push lock lines and their little manifold thing sucks. It's complete trash. I don't recommend anybody buying it. I need this actually. She's looking pretty naked. Nude. Getting all the unnecessary brackets off. Getting everything exactly how I want it. Fucking stoked. Slaps roof. Stoked. Get this thing prepped the rest of the way. I'm probably going to pull this lower control arm off, tie rod, and maybe cut the hole for the strut tower.
Are you going to run the tubs?
No.
Or no tubs? Tubs are dumb.
Tubs are gay.
Tubs are dumb.
If you do tubs, you're dumb. Just going to tube them out from here down to the strut, or down to the frame rail. From here to there.
All she wrote.
And then we need to cut out the trunk area, which apparently this thing's been schwacked, but we're gonna cut pretty much this entire thing all the way out, even the bumper support, because I'll just remake that.
We are done. He had a stroke, but we pulled everything out. We got all the wiring harness shit. We got the sound firewall cover crap, whatever that is.
Deadening.
Deadening or detoning?
Deadening?
Deadening?
Yeah, deadening.
Like
Sound.
dead, D-E-A-D? D-E-D?
Deadening. Comment below if it's deadening or detoning. I'm pretty sure it's deadening.
I'm pretty sure it's detoning.
We're gonna have to Google this.
Yeah, it's a class. We'll be
We have
here.
infinite 10 mils. Infinite. Like, we've taken apart like 20 S13s, and now we have an entire S14 full of 12 and 10 mil bolts. I went ahead and removed all the other crap, the stock stuff that was on here, and I started fitting up my kit. I have to get, I think there's two different versions of this tension arm. One's for an S13, one's for an S14. And this one looks like it might be a little short, so it makes me think maybe it's for an S13. Or I'm doing it wrong. I gotta get with Aaron and see what's up. My D-Max coil fits a lot better on these knuckles than the BCs did, for whatever reason. So that's dope. We'll be able to get that squared away. Upper adjuster right here. And then we'll be able to bolt up the bitchin' top hats.
So I kind of hit the ground running on this fucking car. I got most of it done, and then Charles decided to start helping with all the little shit. And now he's just he-maning everything.
Fuck this harness. They're the alternative lifestyle cutters.
They are on the trunk of my car.
Going through and pretty much liking all this shit out of it. Alternative lifestyle cutting.
Thank you.
All these out of here.
Oh, there's a light bulb.
Because we're not using none of this. We'll end up getting dry ice to get rid of the sound deadening and start prepping it to cage it.
Yep.
Which would be dope. I'm pretty stoked. And then you may or may not see it for sale on the market. We'll see. I've been working on this dirty cocksucker for the last like 3.5 hours trying to get stuff fit. And I think I got it kind of squared away. And this is without tubs. This is without clearancing anything. This is without spacers. This is without shit. And I honestly am gonna go way up higher. I'll kind of be like, you know, like that wheel gap. Not quite this tight. Damn. She got some hokey pokey dokey okey. I think this coilover is also bent because it seems to be eccentric, which is probably not great, but yeah. It's gonna be cool as fuck.
Cool AF.
Cool AF. So I might have to look into getting a different coilover if this one's as tweaked as it seems. But for right now, I'm just gonna get this thing back on the ground so we can work on other projects like this man's shit.
The junk.
But yeah, so now I gotta do what I just did in 3 hours on the other side. Back on the ground. I finished the other side up last night. I also got extremely drunk. So this is pretty fucking dope. We also had a massive victory with this stupid fucking thing. It runs now.
Calm down.
Weirdly enough, you have to route fuel through the fuel rail. Who would have thought? But thankfully, it's done. It runs. We're gonna build some manifolds for that in the next episode. Meanwhile, we have to push this dirty rotten cunt back out into the dirt because we have other shit to do. That's gonna be it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys again. Real fucking soon.
Ciao.
Next time I see you, I'll make sure you see me leave. Next time I'll make sure it hurts you more than me. Next time, the next time I won't be so nice. Oh, now you see me different, that's